Hello, I'm going to show you how to synchronize all Havana Viewpoints early game in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's synchronize all Havana Viewpoints. First, open your map and head to the first viewpoint located in the city. Once you reach the area, look for the tall tower with the eagle symbol. Climb all the way to the top and press the Synchronize button. All right, after synchronizing the first one, open your map again and follow the next viewpoint markers. The easiest way to reach them is by using rooftops, because most of Havana's viewpoints are connected through the buildings. Keep following the markers, climbing each tower, and synchronizing every viewpoint until the entire city is revealed. This will unlock more of the map, show important locations, and make traveling around Havana much easier. And that's how you synchronize all Havana Viewpoints early game in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced.